Check it out, everyone, it's Cerberus. We're literally on the path to hell right now.
Yeah! Aw, I think it's kind of cute.
Are they a threat? Because I'm feeling super.
3 heads are overkill.
Wonder what they taste like.
More like a 3-headed chicken.
I'm gonna tame this bad boy.
You idiot, you can't just tame it. You do know it's not a regular dog, yeah?
Come on, who's a good boy? Shake. What big strong teeth you have. Now let go of Uncle Luffy's head. That's a good boy. Easy does it, just like I said. Now set! Roll over.
I wanted you, but that was past tense. Still had a lot of hope just on my accent. Carry my chopper shorty, she's savage. Got a son for you, cause you ain't that.